I've got to. Just take it easy.
Well, which side does it hurt?
I can't move it.
Hold on a second. You ready?
Yeah. Oh shit!
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you okay? Oh my god.
Don't move.
Oh,
Oh my goodness. What's
no,
wrong?
Nick, now move it forward.
No.
Now. Fuck.
Oh my gosh, what have you done? Oh my god.
What?
Forward.
Oh! Is he okay?
What is going on?
The hell did you do to my back now?
Oh my gosh, what's wrong with you? What the hell, Dad? Are you alright? It's not normal.
Ah!
Oh my gosh. What is wrong with you?
What is...
Oh my gosh, Dad, there's something wrong.
Oh my gosh. What was that, Bruce? It sounds like
Just stretch me out now. Stretch me out.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright.
Pick me up or something.
Hold on a second.
Matthew, you come pick him up.
Mm-mm.
Oh! Oh my gosh, what is wrong with you?
What the heck is
What's
going on?
going on? You feel good? God,
Can you do my leg?
I'm done with you, man. You're not right. Shit.
Man! I feel much better. I'm a new guy.
See if Mom can. Anything with you?
No, don't do that. Are you kidding? I need physical therapy.
You
I'm
look
not
good, Mom. That's just, let me tell you, you guys are
I feel
good
better.
people.
Damn.
Oh.
What did you do? Oh my god, that noise.
Nick, you better stop that, man.
Oh my god.
You're
man.
great.
You feel good
You
though?
can't do that. What is that?
Doesn't it feel good?
Oh my god.
Here, let's try it again. Oh!